Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best replacement LED headlights on Amazon. Having a solid pair of LED headlights can transform how you view the road. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Foreign LED headlight bulbs. The foreign LED headlight bulbs offer excellent visibility, starting with a 6500 K cool white color temperature, which offers a slightly purplish tint versus a 6000 K color temperature, which leans toward bluish white. It promises brightness of up to 3 times greater than halogen for wider and farther illumination. Expect no glare or white spots with this one, and a hollow carved heat sink design, 1200 RPM cooling fan, and 50,000 hour LED lifespan give it the highlights everyone demands. One of our favorite features with the foreign LED headlight bulbs is its 360-degree adjustable beam, which uses a 360-degree adjustable locker ring for greater projection. What we like about it? No glare or white spots. 360-degree adjustable locker ring for greater projection. 3x greater brightness than halogen lights. What we don't like about it? Not compatible with all makes and models. Number 2. Hikari Ultra LED headlights. The Hikari Ultra LED headlights take our best overall thanks to a very well-rounded feature set as it delivers powerful illumination, widespread illumination, and flexible beam angles. On the efficiency side, the Hikari Ultra headlights do a phenomenal job with thermal management, starting with 1.2-inch square bottoms and an aluminum heat sink that helps pull heat away from the source, absorbing thermal energy on the inside and throwing it out into the atmosphere. Each LED bulb also comes with a 50,000 hour plus lifespan, and the company claims they're 270% brighter than stock halogen bulbs. What we like about it? 50,000 hour plus LED lifespan. Excellent thermal management. Solid widespread illumination with flexible beam angles. What we don't like about it? Higher than average cost. Number 3. Beantook LED bulb. The Beantook LED bulb is a winner across the board as it's easy to install and offers a 6500 K color temperature with a slightly bluish tinge as opposed to pure white. Its beam is very sharp and focused, unlike inferior kits that generate plenty of scattering to distract drivers on the opposite side of the road. Expect up to 3 times greater illumination than traditional dim yellow halogen lamps. On the construction side, the Beantook LED bulbs use an aviation aluminum shell that allows for improved heat dissipation and a fanless design for quieter operation. A huge heatsink also works to transfer heat generated from the bulb away from the unit, dissipated into the atmosphere to extend its service life. What we like about it? Bright and far-reaching 6500 K color temperature. Huge heatsink for thermal management. 3 times greater illumination than stock halogen lamps. What we don't like about it? Not the easiest to install. Number 4. Hunks LED headlight bulbs. The Hunks 9005 LED headlight bulbs offer excellent all-around utility, starting with CSP technology, good for up to 300% brighter illumination than traditional stock halogen bulbs. A 6500 K color temperature offers an excellent working light temperature on the lower end of the blue spectrum, as opposed to a more neutral 6000 K color temperature, which is the de facto standard with automotive lighting. One of the Hunks LED headlight bulb's biggest strengths lies with its construction. It offers a fanless design that offers fewer moving parts, making it less prone to breakage. A 1-to-1 match also promises compatibility with 99% of vehicles, and it should take no more than 10 minutes to install, even for the most novice of novices. What we like about it? Vivid 6500 K color temperature. Very well-written installation instructions. 50,000 hour LED lifespan. What we don't like about it? Not the longest warranty. Number 5. Sealight LED headlights. Although not from an especially well-known brand, the Sealight LED headlights offer plenty of pop, leading with a high-intensity 13,000 lumens per pair and 6000 K color temperature, which is classified as day white, which offers better nighttime visibility than the blue spectrum. Another feature we like is their IP67 waterproof rating, which offers excellent dust and water ingress protection, and each LED bulb carries a 30,000-hour lifespan, which is about average for an LED bulb. Our biggest criticism is its below-average warranty length of 12 months. What we like about it: IP67 rating for dust and water ingress protection, 30,000-hour LED bulb lifespan, 6000 K color temperature for excellent visibility. What we don't like about it: not compatible with all makes and models, poorly written instructions, 12-month warranty on the shorter side. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.